Hello everyone, welcome sa ating YouTube channel and nakabalik na nga tayo dito sa China and so I just wanted to give you an update of our succulents. So sa mga bago lang sa ating YouTube channel, yung ating setup is actually indoors siya. So literally nasa loob tayo ng ating balcony area. So expect na natin na masyadong or hindi maganda yung ventilation dito sa ating area, and of course since it's just balcony, maliit lang talaga yung space natin. So, yan. Yung pinakadulo ng ating balcony area. Ito yung ating mga succulents. And dito sa side na to, nandito naman yung ating parang plant rack. Pero sa area kasi na to, hindi siya masyadong naaarawan. That's why wala ako masyadong nilalagay na succulents dyan sa area na yan. But siguro, I will just be adding ornamental plants in the next coming months. So, nagbakasyon ako sa Pilipinas for a couple of days. As in, parang 10 days lang yung bakasyon natin. And, iniwanan ko yung ating mga succulents dito na hindi pa sila nadidiligan. Most of them, talagang hindi pa nadiligan like 1 month to 2 months na. And so, I think it's the best time for us na diligan sila soon. Kasi nga, it's already the spring season dito sa China. So, hindi na siya winter. Medyo nagiging warm na siya. So, parang 2 degrees to 9 degrees yung temperature namin dito sa China ngayon. Pero, that's already considered warm. Kasi, nung winter talagang nag-below zero yung temperature natin. And so, ayan, I just wanted to give you an update nung ating mga succulents. So, ito naman, so this one, yung ating variegated na, ano na bang pakala ito? Titubans. Ayan siya. Oh, hindi pa ito nakatanim actually. I-repot ko sana siya before ako magbakasyon sa Pilipinas. Pero I didn't have time. Kaya nandyan muna siya. But so far, okay naman siya. Ito yung na-repot na. As you can see, that's actually a sign of, ayan oh, diba? Sign of dehydration, yung talagang nag-wrinkled na yung kanilang leaves. Ganyan. But later on, I will be watering all of these succulents. Ayan, ito simula nung naitanim ko ito, hindi ko pa siya diniligan. Yung ating Greenovia. But I think, pag nadiligan to mga to, magiging okay na sila ulit. Look at this. Ayan, yung mga succulents natin. And I really wanted to collect as many succulents as I can kasi sobrang mura ng succulents dito sa China. Unfortunately, wala nga tayo masyadong enough space kaya talagang very limited lang yung binibili natin. So this one is our, ayan oh, yung baby toast, the succulent. Super dehydrated siya kasi hindi pa yan nadiligan. Pero pag nadiligan na yan, it would look something like this. Ayan, ganito ang kanyang itsura pag nadiligan na siya. Pero ito dehydrated pa rin yan eh. Hindi pa talaga siya yung talagang well hydrated. So ito yung mga succulents natin that I have here. Itong ating Madiba, I think I will not be watering it yet kasi gusto ko talagang makita yung kanyang stress na color. Ayan, so nagkaroon na rin pala ng flower yung ating mga succulents na nandito. So I think it's really the start of spring. Kaya nag-start nang magkaroon ng flower stalks yung ating mga succulents. Ayan. So right now, I'm actually trying to check if may fungus yung ating mga succulents or powdery mildew, ganyan. Kasi syempre, as you know, it's a very closed na setup dito sa aking balcony area. Kaya very prone talaga sa powdery mildew yung ating mga succulents. And actually, I have one here to give you an example. Ito yung ating, I'm not really sure. Sorry kasi sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nag-aalaga ng mga succulents. So, sometimes I forgot their IDs, but this one is a kind of agavoides. Pagbalik ko, look at that one. Nakikita nyo ba yung parang white na yan? Ayan, yung white na yan is actually powdery mildew yan. And if sasabihin ninyo na bakit hindi na lang ako mag-spray ng fungicide, ganyan. Actually, gusto ko sana pero As you know, this one is an indoor setup. So pag mag-spray ako ng fungicide or insecticide dito sa aking balcony area, talagang, alam niyo yun, sobrang hirap linisan. And ayoko naman na every time pupunta ako sa balcony area is masisinghot ko lahat yung mga fungicide. So as much as possible, all natural lang ako. So let's try to find a way kung paano natin, kumbaga, hanap tayo ng natural way para matanggal to mga powdery mildew na ito. Kasi syempre, madali lang itong itapon, pero it could happen to all of my succulents anytime. Kaya kailangan ko maghanap ng magandang solution. Yan. So let me give you a close-up ng iba nating mga succulents. Ayan. Look at those. Ito yung ating Crispate Beauty, pero hindi ko maintindihan bakit ganyan na yung kanyang shape. Medyo napansin ko lang din na yung mga succulents ko ngayon is, sila, maliliit yung growth nila. Talagang, iba kasi yung itsura nila pag talagang nasa outdoor sila, pag nauulanan sila. But then, as you know, dito sa ating setup, ganito lang, hindi sila nauulanan. I just water them pag may time ako, kaya dehydrated na yung iba. Pag naisipan ko lang magdilig, doon ko lang sila nadidiligan kasi we're very busy these days. Pero try natin na alagaan silang mabuti. And ayan. We have this beautiful na succulent. Ayun o, ganyan yung flower niya. And some more of our succulents. Yung ating Beyonce. So far, okay naman siya. Actually, nung nasa Pilipinas ako, nung nasa Baguio ako, yung Beyonce ko, siya yung laging may powdery mildew, yung fungus. Pero so far, okay naman siya dito, including our Lawi. Ayan, nag-start na talaga sila mag-flower lahat. So, ito lang po yung aking mga succulents these days. And gusto ko sana magdagdag pa. Pero, I have another bad news kasi sabi nung owner nitong apartment, hindi niya na daw i-renew yung contract kasi ibebenta niya na yung kanyang apartment. So, in other words, after a couple of months, I need to move to another apartment again. And so, tigil muna tayo sa pag-collect ng mga succulents. Aalagaan lang natin yung mga succulents na nandito. Kasi pag maglipat tayo ng apartment, ang hirap na namang dalhin to isa-isa. So, I don't know exactly kung saang apartment ako lilipat. And I hope na hindi tayo magka-problema sa location. Kasi pinili ko tong location na to kasi it's a sunny spot. As you can see, diba, kahit nasa balcony lang yung ating mga succulents, talagang naarawan sila. They receive about 4 to 5 hours of sunlight every day. Not enough, pero okay na din kaysa wala. Diba? So, ayan. I think I will be watering them first before I can show it to you one by one. Kasi sa ngayon talagang they're not in their perfect na look. Diba? Naitanim ko lang sila, nairepat ko lang sila, pero hindi ko pa rin sila nadidiligan. Kaya they all look dehydrated. But right now, ayun o, may nakikita ako mga growth, new growth. Ito sa ating LNO, diba? Nakikita nyo ba yung parang maliit na yan? That's actually a new growth. Ayan. So, anyway pala, an additional update doon sa ating succulent giveaway. Siyempre, hindi ko nakakalimutan yung pag-giveaway natin. I tried to contact yung ating pinagkukunan ng succulents before, si Ma'am Chai. Pero, sabi niya kasi hindi na daw siya nagbebenta ng mga succulents. Kaya, I tried to contact yung mga ibang Benguet sellers. May nakausap ako pero hindi naman na siya nagbigay ng update. So, ang gagawin na lang po natin for our succulent giveaway is mamimili na lang tayo ng winner natin. And then, kung sino man yung ating winner, you can buy any succulent sa kahit na sinong seller na gusto ninyo worth 1,000 pesos. And pag may napili na kayong mga succulents, just send me a message and ako mismo ang magbabayad ng minay nyo na succulent sa seller na iyon. So, including yung shipping fee, ako rin po mag-shoulder ng shipping fee, but this one is only open for our subscribers sa Pilipinas. So, if you wanted to join, just simply comment below 24K plus your location. And as soon as possible, siguro in 5 days or next Sunday, I will be announcing the winner now. Ayan. So, just comment 24K, your location sa Pilipinas, kung taga Baguio kayo, taga Manila, just simply comment it down below and I will be choosing the winner next Sunday. Agad. So, yun lang muna yung pinaka-update natin. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page, Desert Succulent page.